Yo, what up, YouTube? What up, man? Back with another video. My bad. I really haven't been recording lately or uploading lately. I've just been working a lot. Uh, and just parts are just taking forever to come in as well. But today, I'm gonna do an unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got, and then we're gonna do like a little install video, little B-roll, a little footage of me installing them. So today, my LCAs for the rears came in. So I went with TruHart. I already got the suspensions. So I was like, might as well just go TruHart. I got a good deal on them anyways. One of my boys hooked me up. They're still brand new. I was trying to look for polished ones for a while. And I couldn't find them. I always found like red ones, blue ones, just colored ones. I didn't want no colored ones because then it's gonna throw off the look of my car. So my boy has some polished ones. He hooked me up on a good price. So I said, fucking why not? We jumped on it. We got it. So to show you guys what I have here. So these are the TruHart LCAs. These bad boys look nice. Look at that. So they look like they're rubber bushings, which I mean it's no biggie. Kind of wanted the other ones, but hey man, like I said, they were a good price. Retail for these, they're like $300 with shipping. And then we got our center bar. As you can see, it says TruHart right there. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Just installing these today and taking off the old stock ones. So let's install these. Like I said, we're waiting on more parts. Car's almost done. I'm hoping to paint it pretty soon, to be honest, after all this. But like, let's get to it. Let's get these on. This is the difference. You can see how beefier it is. Way better than the stock. That's the stock one, so that's different. So let's put it on. I had to stop the video. I had an issue because they came with new hardware, and I thought it would be these ones right here that they give me, but these don't fit. So I ended up watching a YouTube video, and they use their old hardware on both sides. And also, I don't know, I thought this would go back up like right here, but I guess not. I'll just end up getting a new sway bar link or something just to make it look better. But I put the hardware on this side, so let's do that side and put the wheels back on, and let's see how she looks. So let's get to it. guys. So there she is. This is how she's looking. Looking pretty damn good to me. I do, like I mentioned, I do want to get a sway bar link just so I can tighten it up more. But yeah, I mean, look at her. She's looking saucy, man. Here, let me give you guys a little better view. Let me know what you guys think. Probably simple, clean, not too expensive setup. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you. Like always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Yo, what up, YouTube? What up? So today, one of my boys is getting tuned today. I wanted to do a video on this build. So we're heading to Chad's barbershop right now. I'm already on my way, kind of late. He hit me up last minute. So I'm already on my way there. So let's just cut it short and just get to it. You good there, Chad?